Hey everybody, this is Dr. Dennis Buckley, Clinical Director at Health Advantage Physical Medicine here in Pasadena, California. And on this video, we're going to provide some information about regenerative medicine. Now, here's the interesting thing about regenerative medicine. You heard a lot about it lately, and it's usually related to things like stem cell therapy, platelet rich plasma, and that is true. However, you have to understand something, that your body is a regenerative medicine machine. It always has, it always will be. When you were first conceived, your body took two cells and divided it into trillions of cells, and they all differentiated into different specialties that they needed to be. So it became your heart, your spine, your nervous system, your skin, so on. Throughout your life, your body is constantly turning over cells and regenerating new cells. And the quality of those cells have a lot to do with how your lifestyle, what you eat, how much you exercise, how much rest you get, the condition of your body, the environment. So the healthier you are, the better the cells that are turned over. And your body does this on a regular basis all throughout your life. And you know this is true if you've ever cut yourself. What'll happen is a scab will form on there, and then the body will heal itself, and then the scab goes away and the heel recovers. This happens on a regular basis. So one of the things you have to understand is that you are a regenerative medicine machine, and our job is to put your body into the best environment so that it can do exactly that. Your blood cells turn over every 120 days, your skin cells every 7 or 8 days, your stomach cells every 3 days. You get a new heart, you get a new liver. At the end of 1 year, your body has totally regenerated a new person. And the quality of that person has a lot to do with your lifestyle. But as we do get older, since we are mechanical in nature, along with our innate energy that runs our body, we do wear out and things can break down. So if there's arthritis in your spine or in your joints, that's a wear and tear process that the body has not been able to keep up with, and now it's starting to deteriorate. So with regenerative medicine and Health Advantage Physical Medicine, what we do is we help your body do what it normally wants to do. It wants to regenerate and wants to be healthy. So by adding in things such as stem cells, which flood the area with raw materials that your body's innate ability to take care of, will basically use those resources to help repair, regenerate, and to the best of your body's ability. Okay. At some points, it can't totally regenerate it, but basically it can help it work better, work longer, and function better. We also use PRP, which is platelet rich plasma, sometimes together with the stem cells. And when you put those together, you get a super healing effect. Then we also support it with things such as physical therapy, chiropractic care, acupuncture, massage, and supplements, dietary recommendations that will help you to basically put your body into that great environment that it can heal and last as long as possible. So one of the things you have to understand is that basically regenerative medicine is all encompassing. It's how your body's functioning, the resources it has, how long you've been around, and your ability to heal. Now, one of the things that controls the healing ability of your body is your nervous system. The mental impulses from your brain to your body and from your body to your brain control a lot of the functions in your body and mediate what's actually going to happen. If that's not connected, that's why chiropractic care is so important, because you have to have that mental neurological connection between your brain and your body that basically guides and directs how your body functions, and also gives your brain the feedback about how it's reacting so that it can basically accommodate and do what's absolutely necessary. That is why we don't leave you short here at Health Advantage Physical Medicine. We basically give you the whole package about how to, one, regain your health, how to retain your health, and then how to optimize it. Regenerative medicine such as stem cells, PRP, bioidentical hormones, trigger point injections, and also the other factors such as physical therapy, chiropractic, nutrition, and also the things that you do on a regular basis are all very important. And so if you would like to find out if you qualify for regenerative medicine, or what therapies or what kind of treatments would help your body regenerate what it naturally does, come and see us. We're more than happy to do a complimentary consultation with you. If you call 626-798-7805 and ask for a free a regenerative medicine consultation. Our friendly staff will schedule that for you. It'll take about 15, 20 minutes, and it's no obligation. And if you do qualify, we'll let you know if you do qualify and what you can do next after that. Basically, follow up and find out how we can help you, how you can help yourself, and what results can we bring. We're more than happy to answer any questions. We want to help as many people as possible. And in today's world, you need to take good care of yourself. You need to basically be the best doctor that you can have. And the best doctor you have is you, because you will take care of yourself. Your body can regenerate. Your body can function better and last longer. And we're here to help you. So call us here at Health Advantage. If you have more information, look at our other services. Go to www.health-advantage.net to see what kind of services, and it talks more about the services we offer and more information about our clinic. We look forward to seeing you. This is Dr. Buckley from Health Advantage, and we wish you a healthy life.